When winter hits hard, you need the best in snow and ice management. KAGE Innovation delivers cutting-edge solutions for your wheel loaders with our industry-leading attachments, designed for efficiency, durability, and ultimate performance. Take on winter's toughest challenges with the SnowFire Series, from the original SnowFire 2-in-1 system to the high-capacity blast and the Xtreme contouring Xtreme system. These plows and pushers are built for superior snow-moving power. For larger scale operations, the SnowStorm Series is your go-to solution. The 2-in-1 SnowStorm and the simple blast pusher ensure maximum clearing power with precision and ease, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. Need even more size and versatility? The SnowDozer and SnowDozer Wing give you unmatched control. These innovative plows and pushers let you manipulate your plows to accommodate challenging conditions with ease, clearing snow with incredible speed and accuracy. Snow isn't the only thing that KAGE Innovation takes care of. The Greater Bar land plane transforms your wheel loader into a precision grading machine, perfect for leveling roads, parking lots, and job sites with unmatched efficiency. Finish the job right with the 150-gallon Liquid Rage sprayer, your ultimate weapon for ice, weed, dust, and insect prevention and control. Designed for even distribution and maximum effectiveness, it ensures excellent access in manageable liquid quantities. From plowing to pushing, grading to spraying, KAGE Innovation gives you the tools to dominate winter and beyond. Unleash the power of your wheel loader with the best attachments in the industry. KAGE wheel loader attachments are built to conquer. Visit KAGEinnovation.com to learn more and find your perfect wheel loader attachment today.